Yo, what's up everybody? It's dramatic pause. KBLR1 and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's life or death for video editors. I'm talking about why 99% of you guys are on the brink of getting wiped out. Most video editors are one click away from total professional extinction. But what if you could be the 1% that survives? What if you could thrive in the chaos? Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future tips and tricks. Let's talk about the big F word, failure. Most video editors are practically walking themselves to the chopping block. They fall into these deadly traps, these self-sabotaging patterns. First, you got your comfort zone campers. These editors find a style and just park it. No exploration, no evolution. Then we got the imposter syndrome sufferers. They're crazy talented but crippled by self-doubt. The industry itself is littered with landmines. Clients who want you to work for peanuts, competition undercutting you, and trends changing faster than you can update your software. It's a jungle out there and only the strong survive. But guess what? Survival isn't about brute force, it's about strategy. So are you ready to ditch the comfort zone and conquer the imposter syndrome monster? Are you ready to navigate the treacherous jungle of the video editing world? Because we're about to break it all down. Hold on to your hats, editors, because the world as we know it is about to get flipped. Technology is evolving faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. We're talking AI-powered editing tools, algorithms predicting viral sensations, and software that can almost read a client's mind. This isn't some dystopian sci-fi movie, this is our reality. The skills you have today won't cut it tomorrow. You need to be constantly learning and adapting. You need to be 2 steps ahead, anticipating the next big thing. This isn't just about learning new software, it's about understanding the forces shaping the future. So, are you ready to decode the disruption equation? Let's dive in and see what it takes to become an editing force of nature. Alright, we've talked about the challenges and threats. Now let's flip the script and talk about how to conquer this wild industry. First things first, ditch the conventional playbook. This is about building an arsenal of skills as unique as your fingerprint. What sets you apart? Maybe you're a master storyteller or a visual wizard. It's about leveraging your strengths and turning them into weapons of mass creation. Beyond technical skills, become a marketing ninja, a master of persuasion. Know how to build a brand, attract clients, and negotiate deals. And the most crucial ingredient, resilience. The ability to bounce back and keep pushing forward. Okay folks, it's time to level up. We're not just talking about surviving, we're talking about thriving. Transforming from a skilled editor into an icon. This isn't about ego, it's about building a brand that transcends the screen. It starts with a mindset shift. You're not just an editor, you're an artist, a visionary. Position yourself strategically. Identify your niche and carve out your unique space. Build a brand that's so clear, people instantly know what you stand for. Personal brand engineering. Craft an online persona that's authentic and magnetic. Share your story, your process, your unique perspective with the world. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground. We've talked about the challenges, strategies, and mindset shifts needed to thrive. Now let's talk about future-proofing your career. Embrace technology as your ally, not your enemy. Experiment, explore, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The more you learn, the more adaptable you become. Cultivate a mindset of continuous learning. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Read books, listen to podcasts, connect with other creators. Become obsessed with innovation. Don't just follow trends, anticipate them. Always think about how you can push the envelope and create something extraordinary. So there you have it. The blueprint to not just surviving but absolutely crushing it as a video editor. This industry is not for the faint of heart, it's a jungle out there. But for those willing to put in the work and never stop learning, the rewards are limitless. We've talked about skill development, marketing mastery, and building an unshakable mindset. Now it's up to you to put these principles into action. Let it fuel your fire and drive you to create your best work yet. If you want to know actual working methods and tricks, check the links in the description.